My songbird singing sings her song. As her birth goes wrong, her mother is tormented by what she saw. As songbird singing sings her song. Songbird's mother helplessly screams the scream of a dying phoenix. 3 years go by, no one hears Songbird singing her song until they meet a friendly wise man who hears Songbird singing her song. The wise man looked into her eyes and said softly, "Songbird singing, you will sing me your song." 12 years passed. The wise man waits patiently, and then at 15 years of age, he gazed into her eyes. Songbird sang out loud her song. The wise man looked into the eyes of the dead phoenix. He whispered words of wisdom God sent with kindness and understanding. The dead phoenix at that moment started to ascend, started to mend, because she heard her songbird sing her song. Today, as yesterday, the wise man still looks into the eyes of songbird singing. Songbird singing was once without, now she is whole. Songbird sings Mariah Carey songs every day, all day long.